What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to create AliExpress seller account. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open your browser. Then what you should type right here is to simply type AliExpress seller account. And now after that, you'll have to go to this link right here, AliExpress seller portal. Click on it. Then after that, it will show you this page right here and you can go down and see all the details that you want to know. But if you want to directly join them as a seller, you can simply go up here and click on join AliExpress. And after clicking on it, you'll have now to fill in the registration information. So first thing you should do is to simply click on this option right here and choose the country of registration. So I'm gonna use Turkey, for example. Then you will have to add your email and enter the email verification code. And now you will have to go to your Gmail and get this verification code right here. Then go back and paste it like this. Once you finish, you should enter your password and verify it again. Then you should check this box right here. After that, you should click on register. And now here you will have to enter more information. You'll have now to select the type of your country. Is it private country, limited liability company, or joint stock company? So I'm going to choose private company, for example. Then here you will have to enter the company registration name. So I'm going to type GZ, for example. And now here you have some more options. The registration address, you will have to enter the country, then the city, and you will have to enter more specific information, and you should also enter the ZIP code. And this information actually depends on the country that you have chosen before. So you can simply fill in all these information, and you will need also the company registration files, in addition to any documents that are important for setting up your store or selling on AliExpress. So here, as you can see on the top, you will have three main steps. You'll have to first create an account by filling in all these information. You should also add the company contact email, the company registration number. Then once you finish, you will have to get into business information section. And this will also ask you to fill in more information about your country. Which products are you going to pay? How will you ship it? The payment methods? How will you pay taxes? And all of these business stuff. And once you finish these two steps right here, you will have to wait for a few days in order to get your information reviewed by AliExpress representatives. And make sure to fill in all your information correctly. So try to review all your information before you submit your application. And as I said, guys, these account information and the business information will be varying from a country to another. It depends on the country that you have chosen in the registration country partition. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.